so much.
I just want to say the song we're going to sing is called My Treasure. I used to sing this song in some people's wedding, but today I can sing it for myself and for both of us. Sorry, I kind of forgot the words.
And I thought I was going to have trouble.
I don't need to follow any rainbows. Search the world to find my dreams come true. And I don't need a lucky star to guide me. I found my treasure in you.
I don't need to climb another mountain or set my sails across the 7 seas. The paradise that I was always longing for was found when you loved me.
And now my greatest joy is loving you. The hope I lost was found and made anew. Now my lonely days are finally through. I have found my life in loving you. I don't need to pray a prayer and answer,
Or make a wish
that will never, never come true. For I have found my every answer. My every wish is you.
That's wonderful. Wonderful.
I can have everyone's attention, please. I may never get a chance like this again. Before we have a toast, I do have a few remarks. This first part of my remarks I'll say to both Rin and Rich, I had a prepared written speech that I've been rehearsing to myself for about 6 weeks. And being in show business most of my life, I said to heck with that script. It's all words. It probably doesn't really come from my heart. So I threw it away about a half hour ago, and I'm now going to wing it. Many years ago, when I was much younger, and this will probably just be of interest to a few, whenever I got up to either make a speech or a toast, I would literally empty a room. People would just get up and go. And I never could quite understand it. So I thank each and every one of you for still being here after a minute and a half.